being kind of recruited straight out of high school, and just being exposed to him and Jamie Carpenter and Dale Chihuly and Tuskensky and these artists, I wasn't sure what to make. So the only thing I realized is I was supposed to make mistakes, and I was supposed to experiment. That's what you go to school for. So here I'm chopping glass with an axe, and it was wonderful to be able to, and freeing to be able to work in glass in such a manner that and just with materials and without a pre-set outcome.
So you can see it's because it's a blasted surface. I can draw in more. It's funny. A lot of the work has so much structure, and then there's so much sort of gestural content to it. You know. This one gets some. See, here we go. You get sixes. So I've been fortunate enough to have access to a lot of cultural communities, the Sudanese community, a lot of South Sudanese, refugees.